Kasorkar Jilla Langba Umentri Katanat Puli Puti ke Jilla Uba Lakmen Rembui Kala Pentip Banamar ke Jingpur Jong ke Jingpang Omicron Ya Kashuti Tlang Jong ki Skul Lapen Jelan Biang Shika Arpu Sauterik Ukula Lengkon Arajar Arpu Ar Haka Jing Shisha Kasorkar Kalabu Babaro ki Skul Kin Kutno Kashuti Tlang Hadu Kashibau Terik Menta Ubnai But Ha Ubnai Rempang Pat Kin Penlong Ya ke Examin Kiu Kelas Ulong pat na gabenta kiwe pat ke jing don kam ke sarkar ke shania ha ki bor punya school but ki managing committee jong ki school banle ya ka don kam.
See, it is not a question of COVID, it's not a question of anything. We are reviewing the situation as it is. And if you remember that we have already issued a notification that we leave to the managing committee, district administration to take necessary action as and when there is needed. But regarding the winter vacation, which are supposed to be over on the 10th of January, so we are extending it till 24th of Jan. Whatever we plan, so it is always go ahead of us. So, but as I said, nobody could help you. It is you yourself. So vaccination is very, very important. And I'm very happy that the government of India has released the vaccine for the 15 to 18 years of age, which is the critical age, especially for the student of community. So I wish and I urge all the students to take, who have attained the age of 15, to take the vaccine. And I call upon the parents to urge their children to take this vaccine, because vaccine prevent, protect, and also empower our immune system so that we could fight any external factor, virus. It is too premature for me to say anything right now, because we are, as I said, that we are alive to the situation. We are looking at it, but as I said before, it is not very easy for us to take the general decision all over the state, because we have to realize the fact that loss of economy is one thing, loss of economic livelihood is other thing, but loss of the student is far have more implication than any other thing. So for me, it is we have to take a decision at the micro level, not macro level. So we will see, but as I hope that with the cooperation of the people, with the cooperation of the parents, with the cooperation of the student community, we will able to see that our classroom is safe, our education system is safe from all these external factors.